Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add thumbnail in Facebook video. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So you have to just simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you have to just simply search for Meta Business Suite. So after searching for that, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of your three horizontal lines and go to the desktop site. So you have to just simply allow this option to access the desktop site. So it will open up the desktop variant of your browser. So you have to just simply open up the first website, which is Facebook Business Manager. You have to just simply click on it and it will ask you for your login credentials. You have to just simply put your login details here. So after putting your login details here, you have to just simply head over to this above section and make sure that you have selected the correct Facebook page in which you want to upload the video or in which you want to add the thumbnail of your video. So I have selected the correct account. You guys can select according to your needs and then you have to just simply go back. So after going back, here is the panel. In this panel, you have to just simply head over to the content section, which is the fourth option. So after heading over to the content section, it will open up all the content which you have posted on your account, and it will show also the video in which you want to add the thumbnail. So here you guys can be able to see it is displaying all my content which I have posted in my page. So doesn't have posted any of the video, but your video will be seen here. If you have posted any of the video, your video will be displayed here. So make sure that you have already posted the video. So after posting the video, you have to just simply go back and follow these steps, and here you will be able to see the video here. So assume that this is a reel, but you have to just simply click on the video. Assume that this is a video, so you have to simply click on this tick mark, and after that it will take some time and it will open up the analytics of this page. So exactly right here you will be able to see the thumbnail option here, because this is the reel, so there is no way to add a thumbnail to your reel. But right here you will be able to see the thumbnail section in the video. So you have to just simply click on the thumbnail, and you guys can use the by default automatically generated thumbnail, or you guys can import the thumbnail from the gallery. So you have to just simply importing the thumbnail from the gallery, and you guys can in this way change or add a thumbnail in Facebook video. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.